Hello everyone, my name is Nicholas Wilson and I'm part of the technical sales and support team here at Solinst. Welcome to this webinar and thank you for joining us today. This webinar will be focusing on helping you to decide which level devices are right for your specific needs and application. As this webinar is pre-recorded, if you have any questions, please direct them to instruments@solinst.com and a member of our technical staff will be happy to assist. For over 40 years, Solinst has been manufacturing high-quality water level measurement devices. Solinst has been in tune with groundwater professionals. Started in 1975 in a small industrial unit in Burlington, Ontario, Solinst has been driven by passion, innovation, and determination. Doug Belshaw built Solinst from the ground up by first reselling geotechnical instrumentation in Canada. With great foresight, Doug saw a sustainable market in groundwater monitoring equipment. He gradually changed the focus of the company to one that designs, develops, and manufactures a full range of groundwater monitoring equipment sold around the world. Doug understood his customers' needs and in 1980 provided the first flexible polyethylene tape that was marked in feet and tenths. With that decision, customers now had immediate access to the engineering scale. In 1982, the 101 was launched. After many improvements and technological advancements, the 101 still remains the most sought-after water level meter on the market. With the success of the 101, Solinst expanded the product line to include various level measurement devices. Our instrument provide reliable measurements required in the environmental, well drilling, hydrogeological, and geotechnical fields, just to name a few. As you'll see throughout this webinar, we have fine-tuned our level measurement devices, delivering products that provide reliability and peace of mind for our customers. Okay, let's begin with a product that started it all, the Solinst Model 101 water level meter. The Model 101 has always featured a very durable design. We have some customers that have been using the same meter for decades. Our water level tapes are completely repairable, helping them to last even longer. Currently, the best-selling version of the Model 101 is the P7 water level meter. It is ideal in a vast majority of water level monitoring applications, including boreholes, wells, standpipes, and tanks, just to name a few. The Model 101 water level meter features the P7 probe, which is completely submersible to the full length of the tape, which could span up to 1,500 meters or 5,000 feet. The P7 probe accurately and consistently measures water level with almost zero displacement due to the sensor location at the tip of the probe. The P7 probe can even be used to confirm total well depth, because it is pressure-proof. Solinst has always been known for its durable and accurate tapes. The Model 101 P7, it features our non-stretch PVDF flat tape, which is extremely robust, chemical resistance and stain resistance, easy to clean and decontaminate, shaped to reduce attraction to well casing during measurements. Has like a dog bone shape. The Model 101 features state-of-the-art probe seal technology that allows quick plug-and-play probe replacements. The probe seal creates a pressure-sealed junction, making all attached probes fully submersible. The good news is majority of our new level measurement devices features this probe seal design, thus allowing replacement tapes to be interchangeable for all Solinst meters that use the PVDF tapes. The tapes are laser marked in-house with clear markings every millimeter and every 1/100th of a foot. The 101 is powered by a 9-volt battery with easy access tray on the front of the faceplate. The 101 P7 features a battery test button that helps to indicate battery replacements and for overall meter function checks. So quickly, let's go over how the 101 actually detects water. The probe incorporates an insulated gap between electrodes. The water level is then determined by taking a reading directly from the tape. The on and off dial serves as a sensitivity control, allowing the buzzer to be turned off in cascading water condition and ensures a clear signal in both high and low conductivity conditions. Although the 101 P7 is ideal for most situations, especially deeper applications, we offer a few other water level meters that would suit some other scenarios perfectly. The Model 101D water level drawdown meter packs all the features and benefits of the 101 P7, but it has an added function, which is drawdown. With the flip of a switch, you're able to convert this meter from measuring static water level and total depth to measure drawdown that's required during pumping tests and low flow sampling. I'll do a quick demonstration. Turn the meter on. Currently in the water level mode. In air, no signal, but in the drawdown mode, you get a signal. The Model 101 P2 water level meter. It features our polyethylene flat tape with heated imprinted markings. It is simple and very user-friendly. It is completely repairable, which extends the life of the meter. It also features our shielded P2 probe, which is an excellent choice in cascading water conditions. Again, this meter is very simple. Just turn it on. Your battery test button. The battery tray is just at the front, very convenient. And simple and excellent choice. If you're on the market for a budget-friendly water level tape, this meter checks all the boxes. This meter is very user-friendly, built robust, and it's completely repairable. It features our polyethylene flat tape. It is limited to 30 meter, 60 meters, and 100 meters. It has markings every centimeter and every meter. Do you need to maneuver your way around obstacles like pumps, tubing, and other obstructions in your well or borehole, or need access to very narrow tubes, CMTs, or piezometers? The Solinst 102 water level meter with narrow laser mark cable is the meter of choice. This durable design allows for flexibility while offering highly accurate water level readings on an easy to read yellow cable. The Model 102 has two probe options. The P10 probe, which features a 10 millimeter diameter probe, 10 stainless steel weight, which helps to maneuver around obstacles lengths up to 300 meters or 1,000 feet. Then we have the P4 probe, which features a 4 millimeter diameter probe, no weights. It is limited to 100 meter or 300 feet, but it is ideal for measuring narrowest application, for example, CMTs or multi-level systems. Solinst also offers the Model 102M mini water level meter. It comes in tape lengths 25 meter or 80 feet, fits perfectly in a small backpack. As mentioned earlier, Solinst is always evolving and learning more about our clients' needs. This led us to add a sonic water level meter to our product line. The Solinst 104 sonic water level meter gives you no contact, accurate measurements you could rely on. The sonic water level meter works by a probe at the surface, emitting a low frequency sound wave into a pipe, tube, or well. And it measures the time it takes for the pulse to return after making contact with water. The depth to water is calculated using the speed of sound and time. Readings are displayed in just seconds. The sonic water level meter also has a temperature sensor that accommodates any temperature changes. When operated correctly, you can account for obstructions in your well, for example, pump cables and equipment. This allows for great flexibility. The Model 104 is user-friendly, easy to calibrate and operate, requires no maintenance, works at the surface, hence reduction in manpower, works great for crooked or obstructed wells, reduces the risk of equipment getting entangled, works great at contaminated sites to reduce cross-contamination, reduces decon time and site visit. It's ideal for clean operation where equipment is not allowed to touch the water, and it's fast and reliable. Generally, when using a sonic water level meter, it is preferred that you know some information about the environment you're measuring in. Otherwise, stick with the standard water level meter. I will go ahead now and show you the sonic water level meter in action. As you can see, low frequency pulse emitted into the well, tube, or pipe. After it hits the static water level, the pulse is returned to the surface, to the sensor. Let's move on to other measurement devices which are designed to provide more water parameters and well measurement options. The Model 122 meter is a meter of choice when dealing with recording accurate oil-water interface measurements in harsh conditions. It is robust, accuracy is next to none, safe in hazardous environments. Our interface meters are CSA certified, intrinsically safe, and ATEX certified. The Model 122 interface meter accurately measures very thin sheen of gasoline and both DNAPL and LNAPL product layers in water. Detecting oil-water interface accurately allows you to measure more than where the product is located, but allows you to measure the thickness. Our design incorporates integrated firmware and computer chip technology to handle a wide range of harmful conditions, providing you with accuracy, reliability, and safety. How does the 122 interface meter work? To detect liquid, the Model 122 interface meter uses an infrared beam and detector. When the probe enters a liquid, the beam is refracted away from the detector, which activates an audible tone and light. If the liquid is non-conductive in nature, for example, oil or product, the signal is continuous. If the liquid is conductive in nature, for example, water, the conductivity of the water completes the conductivity circuit. This overrides the infrared circuit, and the tone and lights are intermittent. Depth measurements are then read from our laser mark PVDF flat tape, which is stain and chemical resistant and easy to decontaminate. The Model 122 probe is also easily replaceable, making it ideal for harsh conditions. 122M mini interface meter incorporates all the excellent functions of the Model 122 interface meter, but in a compact design, making it ideal for shallow application. Depth measurements are read from our white laser mark PVDF cable. The 122M is a meter of choice when you just need to grab something for a quick, shallow application. Conductivity sounds like an easy parameter to measure, but anyone that has ever worked at recording it or designed something to accurately measure it knows how complex this can be. The Solinst 107 TLC meter takes all the guesswork out of recording accurate conductivity measurements in wells, boreholes, and when profiling open bodies of water like lakes and reservoirs. Don't let this simplistic design of the 107 meter fool you. This piece of equipment is a work of art. It's easy to use and calibrate, while giving you temperature and conductivity readings you can rely on to complete your job. The Model 107 TLC meter is great for salinity studies, saltwater intrusion investigation, tracer studies. It uses a smart conductivity sensor with platinum electrodes to measure conductivity. Conductivity is displayed on the screen with the associated temperature. The smart probe displays specific conductivity consistent to 25 degrees Celsius. The measurement depths are read from our laser mark PVDF flat tape. Conductivity and temperature are key indicators of general water quality. If you poked around our website and found the Model 201 water level temperature meter, you'll notice that we make a bold statement on there that we have the #1 design on the market, but one that we could back up with all the facts. Our engineers work hard at perfecting our designs for our equipment, and the Model 201 water level temperature meter is no exception. The Model 201 has the largest temperature range on the market at -20 degrees Celsius to 125 degrees Celsius, and the best resolution on the market at 0.01 degrees Celsius, and the longest tape length available, 2,000 feet or 600 meters, backed with our fully submersible probe. Solinst also backed this equipment up with its 3-year warranty. But it doesn't stop there. The Model 201 water level temperature meter has a temperature recording accuracy of plus or minus 0.1 degrees Celsius from -5 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius, and plus or minus 0.5 degrees Celsius outside that range. This meter sports our laser mark PVDF flat tape, which is very durable and chemical resistant, and a very competitive prices. You have an easy decision to make when sourcing a water level temperature meter for your next application. The Model 201 water level temperature meter is simply the best. Need to know where your metal well casing is broken or fractured? Do you need accurate measurement of total well depth at the same time? Look no further than the Solinst Model 105 well casing and depth indicator. It accurately measures well casing cracks, fractures, and breaks while also accurately measuring total well depth. The unique design is extremely tough while providing the same level of accuracy you've come to expect from other Solinst level measurement devices. The dual function probe has a strong internal magnetic assembly which helps to detect well casing. When the probe is adjacent to metal, a circuit is completed, activating the buzzer and light on the faceplate. A plunger at the bottom of the probe, as you can see here, is used to measure total well depth. The buzzer and light is activated when the plunger reaches the bottom of the well and pushes into the housing of the probe, which completes a magnetic circuit. The measurement depth are then read from the laser marked PVDF flat tape. Now have a look at the Solinst 105 well casing and depth indicator in action. As you can see, the buzzer is activated as it's lowered down the well. Now, the metal well casing ends at that point, so the buzzer and light is deactivated. Good practice is to return the meter or the probe to the metal well casing to confirm where the metal well casing ends. Now, you see the plunger in place, and then there's a different tone that's like sound. Again, pull it up and re-enter, and you could just see buzzer and light. For decades, Solinst has been a big supporter and active participant in moving the high-resolution monitoring initiative forward. We have worked closely with the University of Waterloo, University of Guelph, and countless industry professionals to help enhance monitoring efforts so that an accurate 3D subsurface data can be gathered. Along with this effort came development of our 401 Waterloo system, the 403 CMT multi-level system, and most recently, our 615 ml multi-level drive point piezometer. When installing multi-level system, accurate placement of both sand and bentonite layers is essential. To aid this, Solinst developed the Model 103 tagline. Well, the 103 tagline has become much more than just that and has become a popular tool for a wide range of applications, including sampling pump deployment and retrieval, safety line for grab samplers and packers, as well as unique measurement application where electronics cannot be used. One simple tool, a lot of useful application. It is available in various lengths with either narrow cable or flat tape, and two options for removable stainless steel tags. Model 103 tagline, a must-have for your toolkit. Now that we've covered our level measurement devices product line, let's go back and review some of the features that make Solinst unique and the most sought after in the industry. All Solinst reels are designed to be durable and ergonomically friendly. Where possible, probe holders are included to protect the probes when not in use. Reels are smooth running, so a brake is included on the back of the reels. All electronics are robust, and indicators such as buzzer, lights, and LCD screens are clear when measurements are detected. Great emphasis is always put on providing tapes that are accurately marked, non-stretch, hang straight in applications, and is extremely robust. We place great importance on steadily improving in our product line and continual development of up-to-date instrumentation. We have carefully quality control programs for all our manufacturing technologies and ensure we always use highest quality material. This led us to make our own tapes in-house. Our PVDF tapes and cables are marked using custom lasers. All markings are clear, permanent, and won't rub off. The tapes are certified, traceable to the national accuracy standards. Like we've seen throughout this webinar, to meet our clients' needs, our devices are offered with convenient variations to suit budget, and applications. We offer a number of tapes and cable lengths from 25 meters all the way up to 1,500 meters, which is 80 feet to 5,000 feet. To accommodate the different lengths, we have small, medium, large, and extra large reels. The large reels are made with more robust steel faceplate and extra large with sturdy handle. If you have a look at the screen, so we have our small, medium, large, and extra large reels. To accommodate those lengths up to 5,000 feet, power reels are used for the longest tape and cable option, allowing faster and less strenuous operation. They are available in 110 volts and 12 volt options. So this is our 12 volt option, comes with a convenient alligator clips for a 12 volt battery. And then this is our 110 volt option that you could plug into an AC source. A power winder can be easily connected and adjusted to fit our small, medium, and large reels to allow effortless winding of longer length of tapes or cables. It can also be adjusted to fit most other meters on the market. It just uses a standard power drill. Here's a video inset of our power winder in action. Very convenient. As you can see, very, very convenient. And with that, we hope we have provided you with some valuable information and have given you the confidence to select the right water level measurement device for your next application. If you have any question about this webinar, level measurement devices, or any other Solinst instrumentations, please don't hesitate to reach out to our technical sales team. We are always available to discuss your next project and to ensure that you get the right equipment suited for your application. And even after you have purchased any of our instruments, it doesn't matter who you buy a Solinst meter from, we will support you 100%. We can be reached by phone or by email at instruments@solinst.com. Also, don't forget to follow us on our socials: LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, and subscribe to our ever-growing YouTube channel, as we are always posting product tips, announcements, and showcasing interesting case studies. Also, be on the lookout for invitation to our next upcoming webinar. Thank you for joining us today. Bye for now.